So we are starting our Ninja 15-in-1 30-day series, and I thought for recipes to start with that we should do some basic one ingredient recipes so that you can get used to using your Ninja 15-in-1. Because it can be quite different, especially if you haven't used an air fryer or a grill before, and it's just great to start with some basic recipes and then you can build from those. So for day one I'm doing sausages. Who doesn't love sausages, hey? And you can use different settings for sausages. You can do grill, you could do steam air fry, though I wouldn't recommend it because they won't go nice and crispy. And you can also use air fry. But what I find with the Ninja 15-in-1 compared to using the Speedy is that the basket is quite a way down. So by using the grill, you'll generate more heat, so it'll make it easier for you. So I'm going to grab these sausages out and we can get them on the grill setting, and then I can show you how they cook, and then you can get an idea of using your brand new kitchen gadget. And of course tomorrow we're going to be back with bacon, because with sausages there's always bacon, so we're going to follow on with a theme there. So let's get these sausages on, shall we? And I mean, these are lovely thick sausages, so they're perfect for popping in your Ninja. I've got a pack of 6 here, so it's a perfect portion size. And then the reason why you would grill is because you're nearer to the air vents. And the problem with the Ninja Foodi compared to the Ninja Speedy is how low down the air fryer basket is. So I find often that the grill setting does a better job and has a better impact compared to if you're just using air fry. So we're going to pop the lid down and we can get them on. So lid down. So you want to turn on your Ninja Foodi, and then you're looking for the air fryer setting, which is already on there. And then next to the air fryer is the grill, which is what we're using in this. So you're looking for 240 Celsius, which is 465 Fahrenheit. And then for a cook time for these sausages, we're going with 8 minutes, and then press start. When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description, and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video. And we've beat, so shall we check on our grilled sausages and see how they're doing? Oh, look at those grilled sausages, hey? This is what the sausages look like when they've been grilled using the Ninja, and it just gives them a lovely, lovely colour. But of course, if you want them with more of a grilled look, then you can add extra time. I just wanted to show you a great beginner way to get going with your actual Ninja. And of course, you can use these and make them into sandwiches. Here's a picture on screen right now of making them into sandwiches. And then of course you can use them however you want. You can use them as a base for if you wanted to do a sausage casserole, for example. But the sausages that you choose will define the colour on them. For example, if I use some cheap Richmond sausages, then they'll have a colour on them really easily because of the level of fat. But these are quite lean sausages, so you know you've got to expect it to be a little bit different. Should we just have a look again? Because I just think they look brilliant. Look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Oh, wow. So that's your day one. So don't forget to hit day 2, where we're going to be talking crispy bacon. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.